Welcome to Artis, a platform dedicated to the growth and success of every stakeholder in the IVF ecosystem. In our previous video, we covered the process of registering a spouse. Today, we'll dive into the donor registration assigning to a patient process. Although this is typically done after some preliminary investigations and treatment advice, we are demonstrating the steps of adding a donor for this tutorial. Let's get started. Click the Donors shortcut in the shortcuts, which will take you to a page with a list of donors. While we can assign a donor from the list, there are many regulations in IVF to consider. So, let's create a new donor profile and assign it to the patient we registered. Click the Add Donor button. A registered donor form will open. Enter the donor's personal details, such as first name, last name, date of birth, occupation, country code, and mobile number. While the remaining personal details are optional, it's always best to fill them all in. Next, enter the email address, a dummy national identifier number, select gender, marital status, upload a profile picture of the donor, and a copy of the ID corresponding to the entered details. Click Next after all the details are filled in. Now, enter the donor's address details under Other Details. Once all details are entered, click Register. See, we have successfully registered the donor. Now, let's assign this donor to the patient we registered. Click the View Profile arrows. As you can see, the patient's profile is enlarged, and there is a Donors section beside the profile summary. Click Donors and search for the donor you wish to assign to the patient. Remember, a male donor is assigned to a male patient, and a female donor is assigned to a female patient. When you enter the donor's details, a name will appear below the search box. Select the donor, and once selected, the Add Donor button will be highlighted. Now, click Add Donor. The donor profile is now assigned. The case file to which a donor has been assigned will be outlined in bold blue. When you press the opposite arrows button over the case file, the assigned donor's profile will open. Thank you for visiting our channel. We look forward to seeing you in the next session.